Hello. I want to talk with you for a few moments. I want to ask you a question. Try to remember the earliest moments of your life when you was a child. Think about it for a few minutes. When was the earliest time in your life that you felt safe? You felt secure. You felt safe. I don't know, maybe you were alone. Maybe you were with your grandmother or your grandfather. When was the earliest moment in your life that you felt safe?
Have you ever felt like your past is a shadow you can't outrun? Like childhood wounds still whisper, "You're not good enough, you don't deserve love," or "It's all your fault."
Healing the Inner Child isn't just a book, it's a lifeline. Whether you grew up feeling unseen, criticized, or trapped in survival mode, this guide helps you rewrite the story. With science-backed strategies, journal prompts, and compassionate inner child exercises, you'll learn to quiet your inner critic and replace shame with self-compassion. Break free from toxic patterns and generational cycles. Build relationships where you feel safe, seen, and valued. You're not broken. You're healing. And it's never too late to start. For less than the cost of a therapy section. Reclaim your future. Healing the Inner Child is available now. Your brighter tomorrow begins today. You're not broken, you're healing. Get your copy now.
That inner child that is within each and every one of us. You see, because I personally think that child is yearning to break free and to grow and experience a life of independency. That inner child is yearning to transform from a child to adulthood. But it cannot do it until we heal.